Welcome to Daily Mule's expert tips for staying ahead in the world of digital news. In today's digital age, information is constantly evolving, and staying informed is key to success. Tip 1. Follow reliable sources. In a sea of information, it's crucial to trust the sources you rely on. Seek out established news outlets that have a reputation for accuracy and integrity. Tip 2. Embrace social media. Social platforms can be a treasure trove of breaking news and fresh perspectives. Follow reputable journalists, news organizations, and industry leaders to ensure you're always in the know. Tip 3. Subscribe to newsletters. Sign up for newsletters from trusted news outlets and industry experts. These daily or weekly updates will deliver curated content straight to your inbox, saving you time and keeping you up to date. Tip 4. Utilize RSS feeds. RSS feeds allow you to gather news from different sources in one place, making it easy to scan headlines and delve into the stories that matter most to you. Stay organized and streamline your news consumption. Tip 5. Stay agile with notifications. Enable push notifications on your favorite news apps to receive real-time alerts on breaking news. Be the first to know, even when you're on the go. These expert tips will ensure you stay ahead of the curve in the ever-changing world of digital news. Remember, knowledge is power, and staying informed is your ticket to success. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights.